The $1 million mindset is closer than you think. The dream of achieving $1 million in a year might seem distant, but is within your reach. $1 million in a year. Impossible? Think again. With the right mindset and determination, you can turn this dream into reality. It's not about luck, connections, or even a fancy degree. It's about mindset. It's about believing in yourself and your potential to achieve greatness. It's about deciding you're worthy of wealth and committing to the actions that create it. Are you ready to take the first step towards your financial freedom? This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building a solid foundation for long-term success. This is about hard work, relentless pursuit, and an unwavering belief in your ability to achieve extraordinary results. It's about pushing through challenges and never giving up. The $1 million journey starts in your mind. Visualize your success, plan your steps, and take action every day. Breaking free from limiting beliefs. The first step to making $1 million is believing you can. It all starts with your mindset and the belief that you are capable of achieving greatness. Most people are programmed for mediocrity. They follow the crowd, never daring to dream big or step out of their comfort zones. They settle for enough instead of striving for abundance. They create vision boards, but never take the necessary steps to bring those visions to life. This is a poverty mindset. It's a way of thinking that keeps you trapped in a cycle of scarcity and fear. You need to shatter these limiting beliefs, break through the barriers that hold you back, and tear up the negative scripts that play in your mind. Embrace the truth. You're capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Look at yourself in the mirror and see the potential within. Wealth is a mindset, a choice you make every single day. Choose abundance. Decide today to think differently, act differently, and live differently. Proven paths to 6 figures. No degree required. Earning $1 million requires generating income streams. Forget the traditional job market. Think bigger. The internet has created countless opportunities. Build an online business. Offer freelance services. Become and buy an affiliate marketer. Invest in real estate. Or explore the world of e-commerce. There are endless possibilities. Choose your path and commit to mastering it. The number one reason people stay broke: inaction. They dream about wealth but never take the first step. They are paralyzed by fear, doubt, and procrastination. Action is the antidote to fear. Every step you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to your goal. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Making $1 million in a year demands massive action. It requires a level of commitment and dedication that goes beyond the ordinary. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter and with relentless intensity. It's about leveraging every opportunity and maximizing your efficiency. Outwork your doubts, your fears, and your competition. Embrace the hustle. Network like crazy. Learn from your failures. Never stop pushing forward. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Massive action is the bridge between your dreams and reality. It's the relentless pursuit of your goals that will turn your aspirations into achievements. you have the power within you to achieve financial freedom. Harness your inner strength and let it drive you towards success. Believe in yourself, take action, and never give up. Your persistence and determination are your greatest allies. The $1 million is waiting. Go get it. It's not just a dream. It's a goal within your reach.